Welcome to 10 Common Japanese Words and Phrases. Today we'll explore essential Japanese vocabulary that will help you in basic conversations and cultural understanding. This beginner-friendly guide will introduce you to fundamental expressions used in daily life in Japan. Here's what we'll cover today. We'll start with basic greetings, move to polite expressions, then essential words for daily communication. Each phrase includes its Japanese writing, pronunciation, and usage context to help you understand not just what to say, but when and how to use it properly. Let's begin with konnichiwa. Konnichiwa, the standard greeting used during daytime hours, roughly from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. This versatile greeting works in most situations when meeting people during the day. Remember, it's pronounced konnichiwa with the emphasis on the second syllable. Arigatou gozaimasu, ida gozaimasu is the formal way to say thank you in Japanese, while arigatou alone is more casual among friends. Adding gozaimasu makes it polite and suitable for formal situations, or when expressing deep gratitude. Pronounce it arigatou gozaimasu. Sumimasen is incredibly versatile. It means excuse me when getting attention or sorry for minor inconveniences. Use it when asking for directions, passing by someone, or apologizing for small mistakes. It's pronounced sumimasen and is one of the most useful phrases for visitors to Japan. Ohayou gozaimasu, ohayou gozaimasu is the formal way to say good morning. Use it until around 10 a.m. The casual version is simply ohayou among friends and family. Pronounce it ohayou gozaimasu with a slight pause between the two parts. Konbanwa. Konbanwa means good evening and is used after 6 p.m. It's the evening equivalent of konnichiwa and works in most evening social situations. Pronounce it konbanwa with equal emphasis on each syllable. Oshi, oishi means delicious and is used to express that food tastes good. It can also describe something appealing or pleasant beyond just food. Pronounce it oishi and use it when enjoying Japanese cuisine. Locals appreciate hearing it. Hey means yes, but has additional functions in Japanese culture. Beyond the simple agreement, in business settings, it's often used to show you're listening attentively, similar to in English. Pronounce it hai with a slightly longer vowel sound than the English word. Iye means no and is used to deny or disagree. In Japanese culture, direct refusal is often softened, so you might hear phrases like choto, a little, as a more indirect way to say no. Pronounce it ie with the emphasis on the first syllable. Watashi or lageshi means I or me and is the standard way to refer to oneself. In formal situations, men might use watakushi and women might use atashi. In casual settings, men might use boku or ore. Pronounce it watashi with equal emphasis on each syllable. Itadakimasu. Itadakimasu is said before meals to express gratitude to everyone involved in preparing the food. It's similar to saying grace or bon appetit in Western culture. This phrase reflects the Japanese value of appreciating food and those who provide it. Pronounce it itadakimasu. Congratulations! You've learned 10 essential Japanese words and phrases that will help you navigate basic conversations and show respect for Japanese culture. Remember to practice these phrases daily and use them in real conversations. The more you use them, the more natural they'll become. Thank you for joining this introduction to Japanese vocabulary.